Okay, we're going to take this 48 Woodie on a little bit of a test drive, or a test beat, as we used to say when I was in high school. So it's 3 on the tree. Got the emergency brake off, and this is the first time I'm driving this car, so bear with me. Here we go. Is the emergency brake on? No, there we go. All right, we're rolling.
Now.
All right, this the owner lives on an air park in Alabama, where he used to have a plane. He'd land his plane, go up to his hangar, and walk into his house. It's pretty cool. So anyway, that's where we are. We're on Crosswind Drive. So now I'm going to shift. Oop, grind it. Like he said, you got to double clutch it, I guess. All right, well, I'll try that next time. So there's second gear. Try to go into third here. Double clutch. I don't know why you need to double clutch it, but anyway. Okay, now we're in third. Kind of going too slow for third, 20 miles an hour. Yeah, it must have low gears in the back. Second's probably too slow for second. I'll go back to first. Let's see if I can get it up to second at least in this straightaway here. Why you would you don't need to double clutch it. Oh, it grinds. I don't know what I'm doing. Third gear. Going 35 miles an hour. Gotta go back to first. Gosh, gee, my knee. Try to turn around up here. Oh boy. Double clutch it. One, is that what you do? Two in? It still grinds. I don't know. Anyway. He knows how to drive it. I'll just stay in second, I think. It does shift through all the gears. People who know Woodies might understand that grinding issue. If I can try third. Golly. Why? Anyway. the video.